everyone. Today we will talk about linguistics. There are a large number of branches in linguistics. The orthographical script. What is orthographical script? Alphabet. Orthographical script of any language is composed of letters of that alphabet representing speech sounds of that language. Now, what are speech sounds? Then, speech sounds are sounds that exist in any particular language. What are letters? Then, letters. A letter is an individual orthographical representation of any particular speech sound and referred to as script. Any particular script. Now we will see what are consonants, vowels, and dipthongs. See, in English language, there are A to Z. There are 26 numbers in numbers. In this, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. See, in total, there are 44 speech sounds. Okay, these 44 sounds will constitute 24 consonants, 12 vowels, and 8 diphthongs. Okay. Now, what are consonants? Then these are the sounds which are produced only with friction. Okay, with friction. Vowels. These are sounds which are produced without friction. Without friction means flawless, like e, a, a. There is no friction. Okay, without friction. Now, we use pulmonic airstream mechanism while speaking. Which mechanism? That is pulmonic airstream mechanism. Now I'll tell you about units of sound language. Smallest unit is units of language. Sorry, smallest unit is sound. Then came letter. Then came syllable. Then word. Then phrase. Then clause. And then sentences. Sound is any sound. Then letter. Then syllable. Syllable is what? I'll explain later. Okay. What is syllable? See here. Part of a word that can be pronounced in a breath, just as alphabet is composed of letters. Similarly, a word is composed of syllables. See, for example, decomposed. Here there are 3 syllables. D1, composed, second syllable. Sorry, come, second syllable. Osed or posed is third syllable. And English is a stress time language. That is, we stress on, and our language depends on stresses on words and the time we take to pronounce it. Now we will discuss about vowels. Vowels are indicated on vowel diagram. So it is important for us in linguistics to know the vowel diagram. See, in this book you can see. Now I'll show you how to make vowel diagram. See, this way, this way, this way, and this way. See, now this is front part of our tongue, this is central, this is back, this is close position, this is half close, this is half open, and this is open. Okay, and this is our tongue. Cool. For examinations, this is best. this diagram. Now we will see locate the positions of vowels. See, their vowels are divided into front vowels, central vowels, and back vowels. Now, front vowels, four of the 12 vowels. Uh, 4 of the 12 vowels of English are front vowels, and their tongue position I'll show you. What are those front vowels? Let me tell you. Front vowels, they are, this is E, okay, as in beat, beat, see, E, beat. Second is as in A, as in bit, it, like that. And A, as in bet, it. Cool. And then A, as in bat. Cool. These are front vowels. Now see their positions on the vowel diagram. This is the vowel diagram. I'll tell you. See the tongue positions. Beat, E. First one is here. See, beat. Second A, bit. This is here. Then bet. This is just slide below bet. Okay, and then this is bat here. Excuse me, this bet was not here. This is bet is between half closed and half open. Okay, and this bat a, this is just below the half open position, not between them but here. Okay, now I will tell you how to write the positions of these vowels in exam. For example, this was E as in beat. Then we will write for E, okay, for E, height of the tongue will be what? Nearly close. See, it is nearly close, not in between, but it is near to close. Then nearly close. Then part of the tongue which is highest, then it is part of the tongue which is highest. It is front. And lips, you see, lips will be neutral when you speak. Beat. Then position of lips will be front, neutral, nearly close. And one more thing I would like to show you, that in the next video I'll explain about vowels, front, central and back vowels, and then again the coming next video I'll explain about diphthongs and then consonants. Okay, till then, bye.